Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Webull Options Stop Loss, easy method. Open the Webull app and go to your options position, then tap to reveal order choices. Choose Stop Loss as the order type, set a trigger price that limits losses, and confirm quantity and duration. Monitor the stop closely and adjust as market conditions change to keep risk controlled and positions manageable. Decide your stop trigger price with care and base it on support, premium decay, or a fixed dollar loss limit. Choose whether the execution becomes a market or limit order once triggered to balance fill certainty and price control. Include commissions and spreads in your calculations so the stop doesn't trigger prematurely, and size the position so the maximum loss fits your overall portfolio risk plan. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear trading tips. Quick recommendation: the O'Ala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long trading sessions, with a leak-proof lid and easy carry handle for desktop or commute use. It's practical, stylish, and keeps water cold for hours. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Pair stops with profit targets using OCO orders to automate exits both ways and reduce decision fatigue. Stick to predefined rules for moving stops and avoid emotional adjustments that can increase risk. Reassess stops before major events like earnings or when implied volatility changes significantly, and account for time decay in option positions so your stop strategy aligns with the trade horizon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.